I'm Heidi, and that's the H in the HGM Ministries. Thank you for visiting my site. Basically, what I want to let you know in this little short little segment here is what I am, what I'm about. I'm a teacher, I'm a speaker, and currently I can add the title author, although it's a small book, but meaty. And what I teach and preach and speak about is the freedom that can be found through Christ. Real freedom from things like worry, anxiety, depression, addictions, all those things that so many of us struggle with. And my teachings center around what I have learned through my journey back to Christ, starting in 1996, when I had actually walked this road out. And what I've done is over these years, I have practiced what I've preached, I've shared it, and it is straight from the Word of God, and it leads to a path of freedom, which is what we all want, not just for heaven, but for here on this earth. So if you want a little bit more freedom, if you want to get freer in any particular area, please check out the rest of my website, because that's what I'm about. That's what my book is about, Footsteps to Freedom. I would love to hear from you. If you have any further questions, contact me either through this website or through the phone number that's available. Thank you.